This video we will make this elegant bracelet. So let's start. We'll need 8mm of pearl beads, 4mm of Swarovski bicone beads, and 3mm of metallic beads, gold, and 80 seed beads, ivory. This is a Toho, and Miyuki 11 gold seed beads. And we have needle, nylon beaded thread the size of 0.175mm, and we have 8mm of jump rings, lobster clasp, and chain. So let's start. Pick Miyuki 11 gold seed beads, 8 11 seed beads, 3, 6, 7, 8. We'll make a loop and knot them. I will pass the needle all the way around again to make it more tough. And then we will pick 1, 2, 3, 4 11 1 8mm of pearl beads, and 4 11. We're exiting here on this 11 seed beads, and we will pass the needle up to the opposite side of exiting thread. And we are exiting here, so we will pass the needle to these 4 11 seed beads. I can do it. You can hold it the way you were, hold it easier. This, and we will pass the needle to this way. And we will pick 9 11 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 6, 9. And we will pass the needle to the opposite side of exiting thread, like this, and we will pass the needle until we reach here. This. And we will pick 1 bicone beads, and we will pass the needle to these 11 seed beads. And we will pass the needle here, these 4 11 seed beads. And we will pick again 1 bicone beads, and we will pass the needle to this 5 11/0 seed bead. Give it some pull. More fit and nice. And we will pick 3 11/0 seed beads. And the next step is pick 6 8/0 seed beads. Toho 8/0 seed beads. 5, 6. This, and we will pass the needle to this 1 8/0 seed beads and pick 1 11/0, and then pass here to this 8/0 seed beads like this, and we will repeat it all the way around. I'm sorry. And pick this 3mm of metallic beads. So we will attach it like this, and pass the needle all the way around. You can cut this tail thread, we don't need it. And we will pass the needle all the way around. Until we reach this seed bead. Okay, like this, and we will pick just a little pull and pick 3 11/0 seed beads. Like this, and we will pick 4 11/0 seed beads and 8mm of pearl beads, and again 1 2 3 4 11/0 seed beads, and we will enter the needle to the opposite side of exiting thread. So we will put it like this. We will make it like this. So I will pass the needle to this 4 11/0 seed bead and go here and pick 9. 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 11/0 seed beads, opposite side of exiting thread, and put it and and then pick 4 millimeter of bicone beads. Pass to this 11 seed beads. Pass the needle to this 4 11 seed beads. Pick bicone beads, and you will pass the needle to the until to the 5th of 11 seed beads. Some pull and be noticed that your flower is on the wrong side and the right side. This is the right side. The middle of the metallic beads is popping outside. This is the right side. You can push it some kind of like this, but you have to emphasize this metallic bead so that we need to pop the metallic beads. So we will continue again. So pick 3 11 seed beads. Formation. And pick again 6 8 seed beads. Pass to the opposite side of exiting thread. The same process to this flower. We are on the wrong side. And pick 11 1 11 1 11 again. And 1 11 again. One 11 again, and 1 11 seed beads. On the first unit of the flower is we are facing the wrong side, so we will make it more like this. So turn around and we'll hold it like this. So our thread is, we'll put it like this and pick 3 millimeter of metallic beads. Set like this and pass the needle to this 8 11 all the way around. Little pull. We will pop the 3 millimeter just a little bit, just like this. So we will make it more unique, and I will be back soon. We will attach the clasp and chain.